Neolexic. Neolexic is a phonic tutor software which is designed for visual dyslexic to pronounce, spell and read effectively within 6 months. We have tested 500 students with the amazing result of 60 to 100% children with a reading improvement.
This is the certificate of appreciation from the Ministry of Education Malaysia. Dyslexic Association of Malaysia. One thing that we should see is from the Dyslexic Association of Malaysia. Is a quote from them saying that in addition, this product is seen to be very useful and more complicated compared to the other products in Malaysia such as Malay and X-Lexic. It was our pleasure to receive such a certificate of appreciation from them. The next that I will be talking about the social value proposition of Neolexic. In Malaysia, as I told you previously, there are 600,000 school children. For the very beginning, we will be targeted on 25,000 school children with benefit from Neolexic. Imagine, with just 25,000 school children, we are going to save United States $2.5 million, ladies and gentlemen, of the treatment cost in the government hospital. Well, wow, there was a small money from me. But in the context of a Malaysian ringgit, it's actually 7.5 million we are saving just from 25,000. Imagine 600,000 school children. Therefore, in addition, a scientist named Thomas Alva Edison was a dyslexic actually. Who knows, with this intervention of Neolexic, Malaysia could produce a great scientist like Thomas Alva Edison. By using this Neolexic, therefore, we contribute to the nation's education enhancement. In 2012 was a very romantic and a nice year for us actually. We won the 2012 World's Best Invention Award by the World Intellectual Property Organization.
The features of Neolexic, it won multiple awards nationally and internationally exhibitions. Our product is simple and easy to use. We use Alton-Glingen approach, that is multi-sensory. It's divided into, we have packaged our product in 2-in-1, that is module and the CD. It is consists of many activities so that a consumer will feel attractive, interactive and the fun. Our product has a competitive advantage among the different competitors nationally and internationally. Our product is using the user-friendly, interactive, attractive and fun. It uses multi-sensory approach, and one of the most important thing is effectively, which is proven within 6 months. Our product has security features that each CD has a unique ID code that only one user can use it. No one can copy from other one. It's only one user can use it with a different key. Let's go.
So ladies and gentlemen, after seeing wonderful features of Neolexic, let's see what's the market penetration of our product. So far we have sold 1,000 units of Neolexic. Besides that, we have secured an agreement with Pahang Education Department and Sarawak Education Department to supply 2,000 units of Neolexic for the next 5 years. That was just a mistake, ladies and gentlemen. This was the memorandum of agreement. Maybe some of you were thinking, this guy is cheating. So this was the memorandum of agreement between the two states. Next. In the international market capture, we have captured the market in United Arab Emirates, India, Japan, Thailand, Singapore, Vietnam, and Malaysia.
The business operation of our business plan is very simple. The first step starts with the licensing writing from the UPM, the Universiti Putra Malaysia. The first stage start with the development of contents that will be done by our team. The next step goes to the development of the software, that is the design that will be outsourced from the independent software developers. Before going to the production phase, our product will be tested by RMC, the Research Management Center, to make sure that it's free from error. After packaging, our product will be distributed by using multiple channels. Our main target channel is the direct sales. We will sell our product directly and by using newspaper, magazine, social media, and one of the most important that is the user can order their product using online. Our target customer are school that are the 51 dyslexic school in Malaysia. We have a collaboration with them and there are NGOs and private and public school. And last one is the parents that are the directly who are the more target customer. Next. The purpose of our business plan is to capture $500,000 to produce the existing and the new potential software. In return, we will offer 30% shareholding to the venture capitalist. Next.
Ladies and gentlemen, well, we have provided so many platforms for you to connect with us, but I truly believe that after seeing our futures, our market penetration, you'll be asking, how am I connect with these guys? So, you can connect with us on YouTube, this is our video, you can join us on Facebook, and we have an online store where you can purchase the product through Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. So, maybe you're thinking, oh, what's the feedback of the customer? So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the customer's feedback email. This is the first email. The second email from them. Now,
this is our 5-year roadmap plan. We have divided into 3 phases. The survival phase, sustainable phase, and last, the expansion phase. In the survival phase, we will focus on the one product that is our Neolexic, that is our existing product. In next phase, we will come up with the new version of Neolexic, that is Neolexic 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7 with different features. And with additional product of I speak Malay language and online web-based Malay dictionary. In the expansion phase, we will come with the advanced feature of Neolexic, that is Neolexic 8 and 9, and with others products. In first year, we have projected to get the sales of $165,000 by selling the unit of 5,000. In second year and 3 year, we will come up with the sales of 2.3 million to 3.3 million. In the last phase, that is our expansion, we will come up with the sales of 4.5 to 5 million $. Our average net profit will be the 40% with the internal rate of return 99% within 5 years with a net present value of 3.9 million.
Okay, now I believe that all of you want to invest now in our company. So the 8 reasons to invest in DGSB is we have highly profitable, we have multi-skilled management team, we have experienced and technical expert shareholders and board of directors. We are a very, very low-risk company. We have more than 70 potential software to be commercialized under us. We have strategic alliance and collaboration with government organization and non-government organization. Last but not least, we support greatly social, economic, and environmental sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, displaying you the visit from Royal Representative of King Chulalongkorn from the Kingdom of Thailand.
Sorry, because
it was an exhibition whereby the representative said, this, I'm not adding anything, the representative said, this is a very good software and hopefully it comes to Thailand. Okay, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Quick question. So does this product exist today?
yes.
Okay. And it is selling for $30 US, so 90 ringgit. Okay. And so I heard of this company called Bamboo. What is the difference between Bamboo and what you are offering?
Well, compared to comparing to Bamboo, we used a very much multi-sensory approach, the pioneer in dyslexic software. We are proud to announce that we are the first one to introduce this approach, whereby we have visual, audio, kinesthetic, and touch sensory. Through this, the dyslexic can learn very effectively within just 6 months, and we have prototype tested on 500 students.
I want to know more about the test on the 500 students. How did you actually measure it was effective? And the second question, a bit unrelated, is how do you combat piracy? I know there's a key in every CD or DVD, but I mean, is that strong enough? Because even the largest software manufacturers, they encounter piracy issues, and that could be, a big issue as you try to scale up and become more popular.
Yes. Our product has a one unique key that only one user can use it. If we install in other computer, you cannot use it because there's a one email, they will send to your one security code. If you use one time, second time you cannot use it. This is only for one user who can use it. It means it cannot be copied by other user.
And this security measures was done by the Malaysian expert in the Research Management Center, only provided by our university. And your first question, I'm sorry, we answered the second question. Okay, our first question is, you have asked me, I'm sure you are for prototype tested, yes? Okay, we have some test that is out by the Dyslexic Association of Malaysia, a special test to test our product. Is it effective? So they have provided us with the manual, and that manual we have tested on the students itself, and we are amazed to see that the result is 60 to 100% showing reading improvement, and I showed you the certificate of appreciation from them inside.
Sorry, 60 to 100% increase? Is that a scoring, a grading system?
60 to 100% reading improvement.
Okay, so it's like before the score was 50, and then after it was plus 60% over.
Very low, actually, say it was around 20-30%, because there have been no any specific tools for dyslexia students in Malaysia. That was the main idea why we invented Neolexic.
Can you please demonstrate on the multisensory issue that you mentioned? Because I only see this run through the PC, right? Is it also run in the platform? And when you say that the touch and the movement, because normally the child will be also having short span of attention, right? But for example, Bamboo, they have the Kinect. And how about you? I didn't see any device besides the PC.
That was a very nice question. Actually, in the city itself, we have provided some, we have provided a great improvement in the visual and audio. That is like, when the child answers the wrong option, the sound will go, "You are wrong," like that. That is the sound. That's not my sound. That's the sound of the voice. You are wrong. So, this is like, the student. Usually, what the teachers do is like this. Let me demonstrate. Okay. Let's say the student was doing wrong. Okay. Let's say the correct answer is B, but the students answered D. This is dyslexic. Okay. So what Malaysian teachers do is like this. Teacher, the answer is D. Let's say the student answered like this. The teacher will tell wrong. Wrong itself like that. But in this software, we have introduced like if the child answered wrong, it will show you are wrong. Please try again. And that is like very encouraging.
This is a unique feature.
At the very basics, ladies and gentlemen, you must think that is child. Okay, if you're going to stern like wrong, how you think you answer to D? Wrong. But the next step you want to enter the class, you'll be thinking, do I have to enter this class like this? You are very low motivated. So there is like audio and visual, and we have some kind of learning specific tools whereby the students can touch actually. Let's say because the students will eventually differentiate. They can't recognize the alphabets B and D. So B is like B, D is like D. So through touch they can eventually feel that.
Okay, John?
At the end, you mentioned something about the possibility of moving to Thailand. I wasn't sure if you were serious about that or if you actually could make applications for this in other languages. And if so, it seems like your expertise is in Malay language. How would you expand beyond Malaysia?
That was a second nice question. The first nice question.
My question was
I would like to summarize the question. So you asked me, okay, this is like Malay language, what about the other language? That is the question, right? Okay. We have expertise in different kind of languages that are working with us because at very basic we are working on language for the students. That's why we have expertise from Japan lecturers, doctorate. We have the expertise from Thai language, doctorate, because that is how we captured the international market, just as I told you. Well, for the very first, we have created Malay language. In the next few phases, we will be creating for other languages, and that's the reason our experts are working on currently.
I'm wondering a bit about your future strategy. You mentioned in the presentation and also in your plan that a couple years down the line, you're looking to commercialize different software packages. And many of them, it seems, are not particularly focused on dyslexia as an issue area. And I'm wondering kind of how you chose that strategy to diversify what you're commercializing versus focusing on one or two core products.
Okay, thank you. Before I answer that, you were asking your competition, what are the answers for that? Looks like not relevant. Okay. When we are the very leading commercialization company in our university. All the potential products that is created by the university comes from the leading company in our university. Can we say as pioneer company in our university? That would be a nice campaign. Okay. So when we capture the markets in Thailand, in Japan, and in United Arab Emirates, we will see that some of the other products developed by UPM itself is relevant to their current situation. Like that some don't have very specialized web design dictionary, but UPM has created that. But the problem was they don't know how to commercialize the product. So we had took the challenge to commercialize under our company. So when we were observing these countries, there were some other products that could intervene in these countries. So that's why we are another software and languages under our company.
Yeah, I'll ask my question like the software does. How is it that you can work only with $9,000 of advertising in the first year?
With 9,000 we came out. Okay. That was not a nice question.
But it was in a nice tone.
Please try again.
Actually, in the software, they were saying that, oh, it's wrong, try again. Okay. Let's say you give us 9,000, how do you want to advertise that?
No, you've actually modeled only $9,000 for all of your advertising in the first year. It seems like a small amount for all of your advertising budget.
Now we could say that's $9,000 United States dollars. This is actually equivalent to 27,000 million. It is a very large amount of Malaysian currency because we have been capturing the countries in Japan, Thailand, Vietnam, which is that seems like to have a very lower currency than us itself. So the advertising is we have some when we commercialize in UAE, in Japan, in these two countries, we commercialize through a school located in these three countries: Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, and Japan. That is called Global Indian International School. Through this school, we distribute our products, and from there, we capture every location in Japan and United Arab Emirates. So, 9,000 is actually a very big amount for us to advertise, since the cost of advertising is very low in Malaysia. Yes.
Just really quickly, and yet also in your projections, almost 50% of your revenue is coming from this online dictionary and I Speak Malay. But you haven't even tested those and you haven't produced them yet. Why are you so confident that that's going to happen?
Because this I Speak Malay has very attractive software actually. It introduces vocabulary, consonant, individually and separately. Before this Malay language, because some Malaysians can't speak Malay language and other foreigners who study in Malaysian university must have passed the Malay language. So this Malay language introduces consonant and vocabulary very separately and very clearly. So there has been many questions in our university itself that many foreigners in thousands have asked, is there any software that we can use to learn this Malay language besides teaching in the classroom? So with that kind of...
Thank you very much.
The one real example is me that I am an international student. I am also using this type of software. I need to use Malay language.
Thank you.